Yeah, what's going on, everybody? Today we have another trade recap, but also this is going to be the start of an Eval to payout series. I thought it'd be like a pretty cool, interesting way to kind of portray the way I trade and how I go about it, all the way up to the payout. And the goal is to hopefully give you guys some more confidence. Whether it's taking trades and just seeing the market more clear, if that makes sense. So to go through the day, we can start it open. There wasn't a lot, to be honest, during the AM session, but we can play it out a little bit. Like we ripped up at open. We took out this buy side, the initial buy side level I have marked out, which was on a higher time frame. Yeah, it was just this level of buy side resting up here. We ripped through it, and we go all the way up to all-time highs. Was not expecting it, to be honest, but I didn't take this trade. It was whatever. And then after we swept this, there was a possible 2-minute entry right here. I was just I was kind of in the state of continuation mode. We reached all-time highs again. I'm kind of looking for a continuation, but we didn't. We sold all the way back down. We ripped down, so this would have been a really good trade. Keep going, and I took my trade out around like 1, which I don't normally do, but the setup was really nice. So after that dump that we had, we left this 15-minute that I waited a long time for it to come back and get tapped in. It was like 15, 30. It was like over an hour and a half or so. Once we come up to tap it, right there. Hold on. Let me zoom out. Zoom in, I mean. So after that, we come up. We left this little this low right here, kind of like a low-hanging fruit target. So we come up. Now that we're in the 15-minute, I'm expecting price to go back down because we also kind of came up and retapped equilibrium of this range. So this is a pretty good entry as far as aligning the time and where price was. We also we swept this high right here, which was kind of just like added confirmation to my model. So we sweep, we leave the 1 minute, and we enter like as the candle's coming down, because I kind of pre-anticipated the move down, but I mean you can do that as long as your bias is right and everything. So yeah, we entered there, and I put the stops at the high, obviously, and then we watch it run down. Quick trade. It was a pretty perfect trade. Missed out on some profit. This is my main level. I made about 1,500 on the Eval, 1,600. It's an Apex account. So that's that. And that was pretty much it. There was a couple more entries like in here you could have taken, but like after the sweeps of liquidity, and it was a lot, but we kind of ranged for most of the day until the FOMC minutes. So yeah, that's the day. We can get all this off. Looking at the higher time frame now, I would expect a continuation down for tomorrow or the overnight session. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens, but I would like to see us, continue to sell off because of just how big this range is. It's like, we got to rebalance at some point, That's a big range. We have a lot of room to the downside, which I like. Just need that confirmation. So hopefully we can run through this 4-hour fair value gap right here, and then we have this low, and then the rest of the range to work with. So yeah, I think it should be a pretty interesting week. Yeah, like I said, we'll see what the overnight session does, and that's that. So I will kind of leave it here, pick up tomorrow. Hopefully we can pass the eval tomorrow and then get on with the live account. But other than that, I'll leave my Discord in the description. You guys want to trade live with me, have one-on-ones, backtesting sessions, charting sessions, weekly outlooks, all the good stuff. And you got any questions, comment down below as well. But that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Peace out.